Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Bicky Kumar, and if you're watching this video it means you have already heard the buzz about this new funnel which is called multiple income funnel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna give you complete walkthrough of this funnel, and I'm gonna show you what are the income stream inside this funnel and how you can get started on this funnel. Okay, so basically guys, when you will land on the first page, you will see this page. Okay, this is the first page of this funnel. So once you will land here, you will click create account at the bottom. Okay, and then you will land to your dashboard. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks of this multiple income funnel. Okay, and here you can see step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So the step 1 is watch this video. Okay, so here we have a 3-minute video. This guy is Mac Mills. This is the guy who has created this multiple income funnel, and I know him for a good time. So he's kind of expert in creating such funnel. So the step 1 here is watching this video. After you have watched this video, you're gonna join this Facebook group. Okay, here we have the Facebook group. As you can see, a ton of people posting in this group how they are making consistent income from this funnel. So as you can see, different testimonials here. Okay, so guys, after you have joined the Facebook group, here we have the step number 2. Okay, so in step 2 you can see the different income stream. So income stream 1 is the multiple income funnel. The funnel itself is an income stream, which is the first income stream, and it pays up to $20 per sale. Okay, $20 per month per sale. So this is the income stream number 1, and here you can see income stream number 2. So this is Easy One Up. So if you know me, you know that we have been promoting Profit Passport, the David Dekel program, but that program is no longer active. So in this funnel, the multiple income funnel, here we have Easy One Up also. So on the Easy One Up, you have different commissions level. Okay, if I go to my Easy One Up here, if I click on dashboard here, so as you can see, this is my Easy One Up dashboard, and here are the products. Here you can see Elevation Elite, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro. So as you can see guys, these are the different label inside Easy One Up. Okay, and Easy One Up has from $25 up to $2,000 label that people join. They buy the products from the Easy One Up, and this is how we make commission inside income stream number 2, which is Easy One Up. Okay, and here you have income stream number 3, which is a text bot. Text bot is something which gonna send text to your prospect phone numbers. Okay, and you know that people open text message very frequently compared to any other mediums. Okay, so here you will click here to join. Okay, once you will join the text bot, you will enter your username here and you will click save. Same on income stream number 2 on the Easy One Up. Here you gonna enter your Easy One Up username. So I have already copied my username from Easy One Up. Okay, and I have put the username here, so it says completed. As you can see, similarly you have to do the income stream number 3, which has commission up to $100. So after you have joined, you need to enter your username here, and then you're gonna click save. Okay, then the 4 income stream is Traffic Authority. Okay, so the Traffic Authority guys, it's a website where you buy clicks, from the vendors, from the Traffic Authority, and then when your prospect buys the clicks, you make commissions from those package. Okay, so I will set up these income stream number 3 and 4 in a while. So I'm just making this videos to show you that what are inside this multiple income funnel. Okay, I'm just showing you the inside, the back office of this funnel. So guys, these are the 4 income stream inside this funnel. Okay, and here we have some resources. So if I click on the resources, here I click on Facebook post. So these are the Facebook posts right now. Here these are some social media images that you can post on your Facebook timeline. Okay, here are the links. So if I click on the links, as you can see here, you have 5 different landing pages. Okay, so when you click on this landing page, you can promote any one of them. Okay, if someone gonna click here, they will enter their name and email address, and what will happen, this system, okay, this multiple income funnel will send them automatic follow-ups. Okay, so it's like you don't need to have an autoresponder, you don't need to send email follow-ups. So this system sends all the follow-ups, all the emails. Okay, so these are the 4 different landing pages, the capture pages that you can use. Okay, and once you have joined, it will send automatic follow-up and everything. It's kind of done for you funnel. Okay, so step 2 is setting up all this income stream. Then step 3 is setting up your e-wallet. So you just watch this video, and Mac Mills, this guy will give you step-by-step guidance on how to set up the e-wallet, how to set up the income stream and everything. And I would say this funnel is complete new, like it started 4 days ago. So if you are watching this video, I would say this is the best time to hop on this system, because the funnel is not saturated yet. It's gonna be a opportunity for you to be an early bird on this system and to get benefits of being early bird. Okay, so I just joined this program, and as you can see here in the Facebook group, a lot of people, all they have started. So it would be great opportunity for you if you start right away and being early bird on this opportunity, so you can make commissions like these people. Okay, so if you want to get started on this system, I have put the link below this video. You can create account on that, and if you have any question, you can ask me below this video. You can also message me on the Facebook, and I have put the link in the description box. So if you are interested, go ahead, create your multiple income stream, and see you inside.